The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter solidifies its position as a leader in the commercial van segment, offering significant updates in technology, safety, performance, and versatility. This year, Mercedes-Benz has not only improved its traditional diesel-powered lineup but also expanded its all-electric e-Sprinter range to cater to the evolving needs of businesses worldwide. Design and exterior features. The 2025 Sprinter retains its iconic, practical design while incorporating subtle enhancements to improve functionality. Its aerodynamic shape ensures reduced drag, contributing to improved efficiency, especially in the electric variants. The high roof and extended wheelbase options provide ample cargo space, catering to businesses requiring bulk storage or mobile workstations. LED headlights and taillights are now standard across the lineup, enhancing visibility and safety. The optional sliding door on both sides simplifies cargo access, making it a highly versatile option for delivery businesses. Interior and comfort. Inside, the 2025 Sprinter combines practicality with modern technology. The cabin is designed with comfort and ergonomics in mind, featuring well-padded, adjustable seats, ideal for long hours of driving. The dashboard layout is intuitive, with a focus on accessibility for drivers. High-quality materials enhance durability, an essential feature for a commercial vehicle. The cargo area is equally impressive, offering up to 533 cubic feet of space in the largest configuration. With customizable shelving and tie-down options, businesses can optimize the space to fit their specific needs. Advanced infotainment and connectivity. One of the most significant upgrades for the 2025 model year is the integration of the latest Mercedes-Benz User Experience (MBUX) infotainment system. Equipped with a 10.25-inch touchscreen, the system provides a seamless user experience with faster processing speeds and intuitive navigation. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard, ensuring drivers stay connected without distractions. Voice control has been enhanced, enabling more natural interaction. Commands such as adjusting the climate, accessing navigation, or making calls can now be executed efficiently, minimizing the need for manual operation. Over-the-air updates ensure the system remains up-to-date without the need for dealership visits. Safety and driver assistance. Mercedes-Benz has made safety a top priority for the 2025 Sprinter, equipping it with advanced driver assistance systems. Key features include: 1. Active Brake Assist, now includes intersection functionality, which detects oncoming traffic and prevents collisions during left turns. 2. Side Guard Assist, monitors the van's blind spots and alerts the driver of obstacles during lane changes or turns. 3. Active Lane Keeping Assist, uses a new front camera for better lane detection and provides corrective steering when necessary. 4. Moving Off Information Assist, alerts drivers to objects near the vehicle when starting from a stationary position, reducing the risk of low-speed collisions. 5. Digital Rear-View Mirror, an optional feature that provides a live feed from a rear-mounted camera, ideal for configurations without rear windows. These features collectively enhance the safety of the vehicle, making it a reliable option for urban and highway use alike. Performance and powertrain. The 2025 Sprinter continues to offer robust performance, with both traditional and electric powertrain options. For diesel variants, a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine is available in different power outputs, paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission. The diesel models are capable of towing up to 7,500 pounds, with a payload capacity of up to 6,812 pounds. The all-wheel drive (AWD) system provides excellent traction, especially in adverse weather conditions or rough terrain, making the Sprinter a versatile choice for various industries. All-electric e-Sprinter. Mercedes-Benz has expanded its electric lineup with the 2025 e-Sprinter, now available in two configurations: 1. 144-inch wheelbase model, equipped with an 81 kWh battery. This variant delivers a range of up to 204 miles per charge. With a cargo volume of 319 cubic feet and a payload capacity of 3,516 pounds, it is ideal for urban deliveries. 2. 170-inch wheelbase high-roof model, featuring a 113 kWh battery. This configuration offers a range of up to 297 miles. It provides 488 cubic feet of cargo space and is suited for long-distance operations requiring larger storage capacity. Both variants support DC fast charging, enabling an 80% charge in as little as 30 minutes, reducing downtime for businesses. Pricing and variants: the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter starts at $50,900 for the base cargo model, reflecting a slight price increase from the previous year. The all-electric e-Sprinter lineup begins at $61,250, making it a competitive choice in the growing electric van market. Additional options, such as AWD, advanced safety packages, and premium interiors, can significantly raise the price, but the value provided justifies the investment. Conclusion: the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter is a comprehensive solution for businesses seeking a reliable, efficient, and technologically advanced commercial vehicle. With its diverse configurations, cutting-edge safety features, and expanded electric options, the Sprinter caters to a wide range of industries, from logistics and transportation to construction and mobile services. Subscribe my channel for more exciting updates and share this video to your friends. Drop your thoughts in comments.